What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and welcome to a Tommy Hilfiger video. I have not sat down and hung out with you guys and just unboxed Tommy Hilfiger stuff forever. It's honestly been like, I can't even remember the last time. Probably a month ago? I guess it wasn't that long. But anyway, today I'm hanging out with you guys and I'm unboxing a bunch of Tommy Hilfiger stuff from several stores. Not just Tommy Hilfiger's website, not just the Tommy store, but from Burlington, TJ Maxx, and 𝗧𝗎. I have a variety, guys. We have a variety on the menu, okay? So this is gonna be fun. They're very random Tommy pieces. So there's no theme for today's Tommy Hilfiger video. It's pretty much just a hangout sesh / haul, and we're gonna have fun. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Caffeine is practically my middle name these days because you guys, renovating this new Tommy closet has kind of taken over my life, and I'm not mad about it because let me tell you, if you've not seen my vlog of the part 1 of renovating my studio, oh my god, but the progress is real. But pretty much it's been owning my life and I have not had the time to do anything. I am, on the other hand, going on vacation next week, so I have some pieces in these bags in this box that are for my trip. So I kind of like need to do this video right now, otherwise, like, if I didn't unbox it on film, did it even happen? Just kidding, kind of. Am I? I don't know. Anyway, let's get to the box, guys. We're gonna open up this first because this piece in here is from Tommy.com. I saw this on the website, what I'm about to unveil, and I was shook. I don't know what it is, but I've been in the market for what's in this box for basically the entire summer so far, and since I'm going to the beach, I needed what's in here. So let's open this up, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little shook by the price. I'm hoping, since I didn't see this in person yet, it lives up to its expectations. And we all know Tommy stuff typically does. So, whew. Oh my goodness. Here we are. You're like probably thinking, what the heck? This is a Tommy Hilfiger straw hat. Yes, this is a straw hat by Tommy Hilfiger. Holy freaking crap. This is huge, this is beautiful, and I'm so excited right now. Yes, this is in the women's section on the website, but of course, you know, I'm not afraid to shop in the women's section. How do I even open this thing? Jeez. This is so sick. All right, first and foremost, the quality. This does not feel chintzy or cheap, and that's something that, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit afraid of, just because like when it comes to straw hats, it's either slay or completely miss the mark, like chintzy. This is not chintzy. How much was this, are you thinking? I'll put it on the screen. I'm not proud to say I spent this much on a straw hat, but for Tommy Hilfiger, for the look, I mean, I had to. What makes this unique is it says TH basically all around the rim. How beautiful is that? We have the straw right here giving us kind of like island vibes or 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and the color is just phenomenal. I'm liking the tag. This is a basic women's tag practically, and it is a one size fits most. So let's hope that this fits. How do I look? Oh my god. Do I look like Rose Dawson when she like comes out of the car and she looks up at the Titanic? And she's like, it's no bigger than the Mauritania. I'm kind of living for this right now. This is so freaking cool. I'm obsessed. This is my favorite Tommy purchase probably this year. Amazing. I'm so happy with this purchase. Moving on, let's get to the next piece in the box. And I actually only purchased 2 things from Tommy's website. They arrived a little later than I was hoping, but I got a piece from the Pride collection. and it was not on sale, unfortunately. And I paid full price, and now they're literally 70% off in the store. So, not happy about that, but of course I needed to own something from the collection. I have pieces from Tommy's Pride collection back in 2020, so I needed like the most current one because last year there was no Pride drop. Scratch that, there actually was a Tommy Hilfiger Pride 2021 collection. I just kind of black out whenever I think about it because I practically begged PVH to be a part of the campaign, and that didn't happen. I already saw this in person at the Tommy store, so I already have the feel for it, but it's such a beautiful polo, guys. We have details such as the Pride flag right on the sleeve. We have the rainbow flag around the Tommy flag. And we still have a logo on this sleeve right here, beautiful. But my favorite part about this is the back. Oh my goodness, that is sick. And I have to say, I kind of wish Tommy had logos this size on the chest, like on more, aside from like the Pride Celebration polo, but on like other polos as well. Because that's a pretty cool size, and you know, if you're a Tommy logo fanatic like me, you know, you kind of want people to know what you're wearing, right? I was a little worried and hesitant about getting the green because I didn't want it to be loud or obnoxious or just like a in-your-face kind of green. You know what I mean? Like there's variations of green. This is very muted. This is basically like an olive color green. This is a complete opposite. This one is a bold green. I would say this is kind of like on the Kelly spectrum. Very cool, happy with it. It's Pride, it's fun, it's definitely a collectible piece to have within your Tommy collection. So, loving that. And next up, let's go to the Tommy store, guys. I wanna show you what I actually picked up during my latest visit at a Tommy store. And I've not been to an actual Tommy in a while. I haven't like got myself to shop at the Tommy store because I'm trying to like, you know, spend money in my house and renovating. So I was like, don't go dropping money at the Tommy store because every time you go there, you know you're at least spending $100 and that can go to some paint. Because you know you don't buy cheap paint, George. Anyway, I went to a Tommy. I didn't spend $100. I actually went on a great day because there was a deal going on where no matter how much you spent, you got 20% off your entire purchase. So I was in there for a matter of like 15 minutes because I was in a hurry. And of course, I found things that were fairly priced and some unique pieces. I'm gonna show you the hat right off the back, guys. We have another hat within this haul, but look at this. There's like these shields, Tommy shields, crests, whatever you want to call them, looking like royalty, all over the hats. And you know, within my Tommy collection, I have like, I mean, not to toot my own horn, but hey, too. I have some very unique Tommy hats. Like, I feel like out of my entire collection, the hat game that I have going on is probably the most strong. And if you don't agree with me, sorry about it, but it's just the truth. I have some pretty sick Tommy hats, and this is up there. This is very, very sick. I think what I like most about this hat is hats are casual. Like, they're not a dressy thing. So if like you wear a hat, it's usually like on a day where you're not expecting to dress the most up. But a hat like this, it doesn't look like your basic hat. Like, to me, this is kind of like, I don't know, it's like a preppy, it's just a put together kind of cap. That makes, I don't even know if that makes any sense, but it just gives the vibe that you are putting a little bit more effort into your look than just throwing on a hat because you have messy hair. I don't know, this is my opinion. Next up in this bag, guys, to keep on trend with the Pride collection, I did not see this online, but I did see this in store, obviously. It's an oversized polo, striped polo, horizontal striped polo. This is giving me 90s vibes. Very, very chunky sleeve. Like, look at that. What the heck is this? I love it. And I'm also liking that the white is not like an in-your-face, iconic white, pure white. It's more like a muted kind of white, which I love. It gives like a vintage look. So this is from the same exact collection. As you can see, we still have the Tommy logo with the Pride flag around it. But look at the bottom. Like, do you see these little strappy things? I don't know what they're for, but I'm loving it. It's like, look how freaking cool this is. I don't know like where I'm gonna wear this, except for like when I'm at the beach. I'm going to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Delaware, which on the East Coast of the States, it's kind of like a very popular LGBT destination. So I'm gonna be wearing this there. So yeah, that's actually a great idea. On the back, there's the exact same logo right here. And it's just very sick. In my opinion, like this is definitely a more elevated polo than the other Pride piece. Like this one seems a little bit more basic. So I don't know why I did not see this on the website, but there's like a variations of colors for this one versus this. And it's just, I don't know, this is like a luxury Tommy Pride piece. How much was this, are you asking? You wanna know? You really do? It was a $70 polo. And I got it for 70% off in the store. With 20% off on top of that. Insane. That is kind of crazy, and I wish I waited for that sale instead of buying that polo online because I could have got something more unique. What else is in here? Let's see what else is in this bag, guys. We have one more piece, and it is a sweater vest. Not a men's one. Not a men's one. Before you say, oh my god, they found a Tommy sweater vest in the store. Like cool ones. No, they don't. This is from the women's section. And I am gonna rock this. I like how it's a deep V, so I'm gonna wear this like in the summertime, show a little bit of, man cleave. And sleeves are big, so it gets, some air. I'm not gonna wear anything underneath this. It's just gonna be like a tank top for me. Maybe some like khaki shorts or probably like a navy colored short. That's what I'm gonna do. And if I actually rock that look, I'll be posting it online. So just stay tuned. Follow the House of Hilfiger if you're not already. That's my dedicated Tommy page. I'll be posting my Tommy looks on there. So if you want to stay tuned. But this is the front. We have the vertical knots, sweater knots, Tommy logo right there. But also on the back, we have a Tommy logo right here. Just a little simple, minimal Tommy logo right on the neckline. I'm obsessed. And this color is so like pastel, very much. It's pastel, but it's neon in a way. I don't know how to describe it, but like once I get a tan and I wear this, it's gonna be iconic. All right, so we're done with the actual Tommy stores. And next up, we're gonna go to the department stores. I'm gonna take a break from clothing and I'm gonna show you something I got at TJ Maxx. And I was shook when I saw this because I never saw these before and I needed it. We have a Tommy Hilfiger AirPod case. And you're probably thinking like, oh my god, ew, that's for like the first generation AirPods or second ones. It is, and that's the kind of AirPods that I have at the moment, so perfect for me. This was super cheap. It was actually $7.99. That's the box if you want to take a look. Very cool. Of course, I'll be saving the box. And the front right there is just navy silicone, Tommy Hilfiger. We got the logo, we got the cool ring. This is just perfect. So I'm gonna be putting this on as soon as I'm wrapping up this video, but loving that. Super cheap and amazing. Next up, we'll stay with the same type of store. I went to Marshalls, guys. And I've been wanting to wear this since I bought it like 3 weeks ago, but I've been holding off on making this video, so now I can finally wear this. It is a simple Tommy tee, but this powder blue color, oh my god. And like, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I love your company. But if you're not new, you know that I love my solid pastels. And this color blue is perfection. Like this is probably one of my favorite colors in the entire world. I love this color. So it's just simple tee. I'm gonna rock this with probably this Tommy belt that I have on right now, and this tucked into a pair of nice shorts, give it a cool summer vibe, and I'm loving it. So this was $12.99. Originally it's a $29.50 Tommy Hilfiger tee, so a little bit on the pricey side, but I got a good deal at the Marshalls for this, so I'm living. I did not even check my hair after putting on that freaking straw hat, so hopefully I'm not looking like a fool during the rest of this video. Last, we have something from the Burlington store. Burlington, guys, do not underestimate the Burlington because every now and then you'll find some pretty cool pieces. And check out these Hoochie Daddy shorts that I'm gonna be rocking at the beach. Yes, I said Hoochie Daddy because these are short AF. They are not 7-inch. I don't even think these are 5-inch. Practically, they're 3 inches if I had to guess. Maybe they're 5. I don't know. Anyways, these are women's sports shorts. They're size medium. They fit perfect. There's actually a like meshy thing in here, so I'm gonna wear this as a swimsuit. And I actually had one just like this in red that I wore last year, and it looked pretty sick. I have to say, like, it was comfortable. It dries super quick. This is a bathing suit. I know it's part of like the Tommy Sport line, but this is, well, it says Tommy Sport right there. I'm obsessed. So the italic Tommy logo right there, this cool blue color, this minty color on the side. They have a very kind of like 80s, 70s flair to them, and they just look very retro. So that's why I fell in love with these. And I tried them on in the store. I cannot wait to rock these on the beach, and I'm super excited, guys. Also, I love the Tommy Sport tags. Like, it just looks unique compared to all the other tags. Pretty cool. If you never saw one before, there you go. But that is pretty much it, guys. That is a wrap on this Tommy Hilfiger haul. I know this was a lengthy video probably, and it's echoey. I am so sorry if this is an echoey video because my studio has no furniture in it right now. So I didn't even think before I sat down and did this about the echo. If you got past the echo and you're here at this point, please give this video a thumbs up and comment something down in the comment section down there. Like, hey, how are you? Hi, George. Can't wait to see the new studio. Something to let me know you made it this far. Again, if you are not already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to click the notification bell. That's going to notify you whenever I upload new videos. So if you want to stay in touch, you got to click that bell. And my personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝐺eorge if you want to follow that also. I'm starting from scratch, so I need as many followers as possible. So if you can, I would appreciate the follow. That would be amazing. The House of Hilfiger is going to be linked down below as well, which is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger Instagram page. I post basically my collection on there, Tommy looks, up and coming Tommy events and collaborations, and just very personal Tommy Hilfiger stuff I post on there. So I would love you to follow that too. That's a wrap, guys. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.